Welcome to Jeetbo.com. So I thought let me give you a brief idea about why we started Jeetbo.com. There were two reasons why we started Jeetbo.com. One is that the SEO companies, the web marketing companies are finding it very difficult to find the right people. So we thought we have expertise in it. So we will be able to take the right people, we'll be able to take the right crowd, and then we'll be able to give them the right training. And after giving the right training, what we will be able to do is we will be able to give you the right people in your company. So that is one purpose of Jeetbo.com. And the second purpose of Jeetbo.com is that there are SEO professionals, there's web marketing professionals who want to learn the new things that are happening in the industry. They want to keep themselves updated with the news and other sections, but because of their work, because of the lack of mentors in their company, they're not able to do that. Many a times when we take interviews, people give us this excuse that they did not get a mentor who could mentor them, whereas there was a lot of information that was available on the web. But the problem they face is, how do we study? Where do we start and where do we end? So this problem is a genuine problem, and especially when we are working in Kolkata, we find it very difficult to get the right people, and people are advertising here and there. So in this Jeetbo.com, we will be collecting the information about the SEO professionals and the web marketing professionals from almost every field, and then we'll be having a personal talk with them. We will understand what they're trying to do and where they are. We'll provide them the materials so that they can go to the next level, and then we'll be talking to the SEO companies across India, and we'll be understanding their requirement so that we can match their requirement with the professionals who are there. And also, if required, we'll be arranging the training sessions. And Jeetbo will like to play a role of mentoring Indian SEO industry as a whole, Indian web marketing industry as a whole. Since we have expertise, we will be ready to give you all the documents that we use, and that's why we are keeping it as premium, because when we give it as a free, it is not valued as much. So looking forward for your participation in Jeetbo.com. If you have any queries, send us a query and we'll be able to answer it. Join our Facebook group, join our Twitter groups, and we'll keep on updating you with the latest that is happening with Jeetbo, and looking forward for your participation. Thank you so much.